21st floor, Tower 3, Avida Towers Prime Taft. Ilang unit to?
30. Tatlong unit.
Na magkakatabi? This is Avida Towers Prime Taft along Taft Avenue. 36 square meters, 1 bedroom, and around 5.2 million. Kita nyo naman ang kinis ng unit. Good as brand new. Kitchen natin over and under cabinets. Kita nyo naman yung sink, oh. Hindi nagamit. And bathroom natin, complete fixture. May shower head, sink, water tank, closet. And then meron pa tayong provision for laundry. And then ito yung bedroom natin. Yung aircon na provision cover natin, oh, intact pa, hindi nabuksan. And yung view natin is, ayan po siya, city view. This is below market value. Ang presyo po nito sa developer or current market value po nito, if kukuha kayo ng pre-selling, is nasa 8 million na and up. But this one is 5.2 or around 5.2 million. So itong view natin from the living and dining area. This is as is where is upon turnover and first come first serve po tayo dito. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, message us directly.
Ito basic ko yung 1 bedroom eh, ano?
Gym nila, ano lang, treadmill lang.
98 pesos per square meter. Kung yung 22 mo, 2,200 per month.
Oo. So yun lang ang gym mo, walang weights.
Liberty ko yung DMC, maganda. Di pa ba nabibenta yun sa video?
Wala nagba-ads eh. Ikaw na lang inaantay nun.
Oo nga. Okay. Tower 2 po. Ewan yan eh.
Dito parang hindi mainit kahit tanghali, no? Kasi natatakpan ka ng mga ano, building. Unless tanghaling tapat talaga.
Yung central.
Sa swimming pool nila, ito lang swimming pool nila.
Ito for tower 3 at ito tower 1. Tower 1 muna sa. Mahaba yun.
Liit ng gym nila.